Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a power hour for you, and this video is also going to be in collaboration with my friend Amy from Team Darley. I found her channel recently and I have been loving it. She is awesome. She has all kinds of wonderful cleaning videos, also a lot of mommy lifestyle videos, so definitely check her out if you have not already. She is also going to be doing a power hour like I am. So I will leave her video linked in the description box below, and be sure to head over there after you're done watching this video and let her know that I sent you. And if you are new to my channel or coming over from Amy's channel, welcome. I am so excited to have you. My name is Amanda and I am a stay-at-home mom to 3 little boys. I have all kinds of videos on my channel, anything from cleaning, cooking, hauls, grocery hauls, just anything mommy lifestyle will probably end up on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already. And let's go ahead and get on into this power hour. I actually have the entire house to myself right now because Kyle took the boys out for lunch and also to run a few errands. So during that time, I am going to be just attacking this list and getting everything that I need to done. So I hope you guys will get some good cleaning motivation. So these are the chores that I wanted to get done today, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to get to dusting, but I wanted to go ahead and put on my list just in case. Now, if you watch my cleaning videos, you know that I pretty much will always start out in my kitchen, but I decided to switch it up a little bit today and start out in my bedroom, and the first thing I needed to do was make my bed. Let me know in the comments below if you are someone who loves making their bed every day, or if it's not that big of a deal. To me, I feel like if my bed is made, it just feels so much more peaceful, and I feel like it kind of gives me a sense that my house is cleaner even when it's not totally picked up all the time. And once my bed was made, I needed to go ahead and just pick up a few things in my room and also get some baby wipes I had picked up put away. I feel like we are starting to get pretty close with potty training Noah. We have been dealing with diapers and wipes for pretty much 7 years straight now, and I am so excited that that chapter will be coming to a close pretty soon. The next thing I needed to take care of was just putting away some of my husband's and my clothes. Our washer actually broke while we were on vacation somehow, and so we have been without a washer for a few weeks. So we have been doing a ton of laundry here, just trying to get caught up with everything. And if you don't hang up your clothes like this, definitely try it out. It makes such a difference, and it makes this task go so much quicker. Next, I just wanted to start my diffuser in my bedroom. I have been loving basil essential oil. It smells so good, and it also helps keep you focused and relaxed, so I feel like it's a really good one to diffuse in the bedroom. Moving on to laundry, as I said, we were really trying to get caught up since we were without a washer for a couple weeks, so I just needed to transfer a few of the clothes from our washer to our dryer and hang up any of my husband's and my clothes, and then get another load started. And I do love putting dryer balls in our dryer. I feel like it really reduces the time that they have to be dried, and I can also add essential oils onto them, and it helps them come out a little bit fresher. Once again, you tell the same old story. Yeah. It's all on me, should stop with all the doubts. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. Who else finds it so satisfying to cross things off your list? I feel like even if I do something that wasn't on my list, I will write it down on my list just so that I can cross it off. It is just so nice to feel like you are being productive. So just moving into the kitchen, I needed to clear off the counters and get a few extra dishes put into our dishwasher, and then get any other dishes hand washed as well. And while I was hand washing my dishes, I wanted to go ahead and just clean up my little dish station. So this is the Bubble Up dish brush. I get a ton of questions from you guys wondering where I got this, and I actually got this from Grove Collaborative, but at the moment they are out of stock. So I will leave a link to it in my description box because they are selling it on Amazon. As you know, I always try and clean out my sink anytime I have dirty dishes in there because I feel like it just gets it really grimy, and I love having a clean sink. I feel like it just gives the kitchen a sense of being clean even when it's not completely tidied up. I'm still using the Method Lime and Sea Salt dish soap. I love this stuff and it smells so good. So I just went ahead and got my dish station all set up, including my Bubble Up dish brush. So to wipe off the counters today, I'm actually just using an eat cloth, and this one is the all-purpose cloth, but it's been really awesome using this because I feel like it actually gets our counters and our surfaces way cleaner than just those cloths that I use from the Dollar Tree. I do still love the convenience of the disposable ones, but I do love that this one's reusable so I don't feel as bad throwing out a cloth all the time. And the e-cloths have a really neat technology, so all you have to do is get it damp with water, and then as you wipe it down, it will actually disinfect your surfaces. So I will leave a link down below to the eCloth website. They offer free shipping, and they are also having a really good deal at the moment where they have a 2-pack of these cloths for only $8, and because they are reusable, that is an amazing deal. So definitely check those out if you're interested. I am such a fan of eCloths. Just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what. Moving into the living room, I just needed to tidy up a few of the kids' toys, and of course the pillows are on the floor because where else would they be? But I'm actually just going to leave them there for the moment because I am actually going to go ahead and just clean off my couch. So to clean our couch today, I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. This has been by far my very favorite glass cleaner that I've ever tried. I feel like it works really good, and I love how it works on our couches. I do get most all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, and I also have a link down below if you're interested in checking them out where you can get a ton of free goodies. So definitely use that link if you are interested in ordering and get yourself some free stuff. So our couch is microfiber, and our couch cushions actually do not come off, and the covers don't zip off either, so I'm not really able to pull them off and do a good wash. But I found this little trick a long time ago, but if you just spray your microfiber couch with a glass cleaner and then scrub it off with a towel, it will clean it up so good. It looks so amazing. So I try to do this every 1 or 2 weeks. It just depends how often I get to it, but it makes such a difference in the look of our couch whenever I do it. And now I am able to put the couch cushions back on, and that's where they will stay until the boys get home. And then I just wanted to go ahead and vacuum my rug. And I get a lot of questions about where we got our rug from, and I actually got it from esalerugs.com. They have a really huge selection of rugs, and most of their rugs are really good price. So I will try and link the specific rug that we have from them down in the description box in case you are interested in checking it out. And then I just went ahead and vacuumed my bedroom floor, and I love seeing carpet lines. Let me know in the comments below if you are the same, if carpet lines are like so satisfying to you, or if it's not that big of a deal. For me, it like is just so satisfying. And then moving into our main living area, I am just going to go ahead and vacuum up the floor. And I also get a ton of questions about what kind of floor we have, and our flooring is laminate and it is a Pergo warm gray oak, and we absolutely love it. It is so pretty and really durable so far. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that I try and do one cleaning video every week, but I would love to hear what kind of cleaning videos your favorites are, whether you like relaxing cleaning videos, power hours, deep cleaning videos, after dark cleaning videos. Just let me know if you have a preference of which kind you really like to see so that I can definitely be sure to make those ones. Or also just let me know if you just like cleaning videos in general. I know for me, I love getting the cleaning motivation. It is crazy how motivated you feel after watching a good cleaning video.
I don't need your loving, I just steal your heart and cover myself. I don't need your loving.
Next, I just needed to give my floors a really good mop. This is one of my least favorite chores. I don't know what it is, but I just cannot stand mopping, so I have to do it because we have 3 little boys. But it is definitely something that I try to put off, and a lot of times I will try and convince my husband to do it for me because it is just not my cup of tea. Let me know if you guys have a chore that you just totally hate or something that you really procrastinate on. Mine is definitely putting away laundry and mopping. The last thing I wanted to do is just go ahead and fill up our diffuser in our living room, and my very favorite combo right now is still peppermint and lime. I feel like it is the perfect summer scent. It is just so fresh and so bright. If you have not tried this combo, definitely try it out. It smells so good. And I also want to let you guys know I do have that coupon code for this specific diffuser just for a few more days until it expires, so I will leave that linked in the description box below, and you can go ahead and order it and get 50% off, which makes it about $16. And I love this diffuser. It is a full-size diffuser and it matches perfectly with our decor, so definitely check this one out. So that was all I had time for. I didn't have time to dust in the end. I only had 1 minute and 30 seconds left, and I knew I would not have enough time to dust everything before the timer went off. But that's okay, I still felt like I got a lot done just staying focused, and you guys should have seen me. I was definitely running around as I was moving the camera around. It was pretty funny. But it's all good because now our house looks really nice and clean, and now we can just enjoy our time in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do not forget to go check out Amy's video. I will leave her video linked in the description box below, and be sure to leave me a comment down below, even if it's just saying hi. I love talking to you guys in the comments, and I always try and get back to everyone. I hope you guys got some good cleaning motivation. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.